I have no say in the casting. Homie, do you
Deepika
want to
actually
say?
had no idea that Ranveer Singh was playing this cameo.
She had no idea I'm playing Savio also till she
Yeah,
told me.
Nobody
she
had
didn't
no
have any
idea what's
about
going
anyone
on.
in this
Okay.
film. No, I was actually I was sitting around with Ranveer and we were chatting about this. He said, "What are you doing next?" And I told him the story and told him it's been cast. So he said that, but let me play the role of this cameo role of Gabo, and he's a super guy. I mean, just too much fun. And he came to the set. We shot him in half a day, and we laughed so much he stayed on for 10 days. But Deepika had no clue about it.
So nobody had any clue about it. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Hello.
Hello. She's holding the mic, but
Your mic's not working.
the mic is not working, but you're still.
How difficult was it to have Nasir sir?
Oh, it
and
was very
Pankaj?
easy.
He
Very
is,
easy.
he is the director of
No,
Cocktail,
no, I couldn't
which
hear
was
the
made in
question.
Hindi.
I'm
by the
sorry.
way.
No, it was very easy. They're both thorough professionals. They have a very different approach to their acting, and they are brother-in-laws as well, brother and outlaws. But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely, extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj, and Dimple. This is an English film, and we have done a Hindi dub with the cast themselves. So yeah, we shot it in English, and they've done a Hindi dub on it as well.
Hi, Deepika. Bhavna this side from Z News. Deepika, there are news. This question is for you. There are news that you have asked for 15 crore for a remake of a thriller film. How true is that?
There's a producer sitting right here. Please ask him. And I do want to say that I think the source of this information is not credible, be it the journalist or the publication that's carried the story.
Thanks.
Sorry, say that again.
आपको बहुत पसंद करती हैं, 24 घंटे आपको देखना पसंद करती हैं, बहुत लाइक करती हैं आप डिम्पल कपाड़िया जी.
It's actually what I feel for her. But she's been lovely. We've worked on Cocktail before. And I remember on one of the off days during Cocktail, she took me out for lunch. She's taken me out shopping. She treats me like her daughter. She pampers me. She spoils me. And she loves me and I love her. And it's an equation that I'll never be able to explain in words. It's unsaid.
No, she was very comfortable. In fact, Dimple is, I think she's extremely shy of the media, but she's completely game for anything. She's a sporting woman. She loves having fun. And in fact, in Finding Fanny, we've made her wear 20-kilo prosthetic bottom and a stomach. And she wanted to make it 40 kilos, but I had to control her because she just loves going over the top. But yeah, she was completely game for anything. She likes having fun, and I think all of us love having fun, and that's why we had so much fun on this film. Was that Dimple's idea, or what do you? Oh, there's nothing to convince. That's the character, you know. It's not like she is Dimple Kapadia in the film. So as long as it's the character and she's playing it to the T, I mean, she's willing to do anything.
Good afternoon, homie. This is Vikram from NTA.
yeah.
Who thought of this name, Finding Fanny?
I thought of the name Finding Fanny.
Who do you think?
Who else
Matlab,
would think
who?
of it?
It could be you, Arjun.
I got cast after he thought of the name.
Yeah, because the only Fanny that you can find is actually Dimple Kapadia, considering it is 40 kilos. As a
No,
soul
I
saying.
think you're thinking of it in a slightly perverse way. I never thought of it that there was another meaning for Fanny, actually. I just felt it was a...
It seems it's just me and Pankaj Kapoor who's looking
Just
at Fanny
you,
in a way.
Pankaj Kapoor and Arjun. But no, Fanny is the nickname of Stephanie. I mean, if I had, if it was a film called Finding Dick, I mean, I don't think if they were looking for a guy called Richard and they said,
almost
let's make
got away
the film called Finding Dick, then you guys would have thought of it in that way. It's not like that. It's just a nickname, and maybe they'll have some issues with it in the UK and the US, but not in India and other places where we have pure thought.
This is to Arjun and Dimple. This press conference में we are finding balls, dicks, you know. So
आप कब आई? Sorry sir.
balls, dick. हमने सुना तो during the making of the film इस तरह के conversation कितने हो रहे थे? How much did you all enjoy yourself?
Sir, you won't be able to air it. So no point us talking about it.
अच्छा, any particular dialogue ऐसे कोई यादगार dialogue हो गए जैसे आपने चिन्ह एक बकवास डिक्शनरी वाला टाइप में कुछ इसमें सुनने मिलेगा? है ना कोंकणी ऐसे ना वो हाँ.
It's a full family entertainer. There's absolutely no profanity in this film. It's. Am I?
He
you
finished that
that?
question.
Something else.
He's saying आपको कोई dialogue पसंद है यादगार जो आप
I'm sorry. I didn't follow your train of thought.
and
बोल दीजिए.
नहीं क्या बोले?
Let your converse.
ये एक सवाल पीछे चल रहे हैं लाइफ में. शूटिंग पे एक सीन पीछे ही चलते थे. There's scene
Not
dialogue.
yet. I mean, I don't know. You
आप
decide
देखें,
when
हाँ,
you see the film, you'll know. You don't plan these things. You don't go into a film thinking that this line is going to be iconic or this line is going to be like the punchline. You go in with a character. You know you're meant to say certain lines. You deliver it a certain way. In the process, if it becomes that, then great.
But sometimes you get that feeling also, no, while shooting कि this would definitely work out something, you know. Maybe a particular dialogue रहता है या कोई steps.
See, let's
ऐसे
put it
कभी
this
होता
way.
है?
This is not one of those films. See, it's not one of those films that the dialogues are written for an effect. They're very throwaway. They're very conversational, matter of fact. So tomorrow when you guys see the film or the audience sees the film and a dialogue connects or clicks with them, then maybe we'll be able to speak about it more in detail. And there are a lot of dialogues that are contextual. So when you see it in the film, you'll enjoy it. Then maybe if we speak about it, it'll be nice.
Yeah, this question is for Mr. Vijay. Vijay sir, आपसे एक सवाल है कि कितना मैटर करता है बॉक्स ऑफिस हिंदी इंग्लिश में रिलीज हो रही है और इसके बाद बैंग बैंग एंड देन बॉम्बे वेलवेट, तो किस तरीके से आपका रुझान है फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर रिलीज?
See, our focus as a studio is obviously to come up with films and be associated with films which are different and diverse. And I think, Finding Fanny, Bang Bang, and Bombay Velvet is just sort of testimony to that. See, box office is obviously a very important metric. And I think, but it all has to start with the fact that as a team, we all feel passionate about this film. And genuinely, I believe, as we all know, audiences are changing. I believe it's an excellent opportunity for us to showcase a slightly different film, not only in India but also across the world, and make it a sort of a milestone as far as Bollywood is concerned. So I think it's really exciting times. You got exciting talent, and you got quirky directors, and so I think as a team it works really well.